Okay, this is problem 17 from chapter 3 of CFIN7. Another stock issuance problem. Victory Vineyards, VV must raise $370 million. To do so, VV expects to issue new common stock. VV's investment banker will charge issuing costs of 7.5% of the total amount issued. If the stock can be issued for $80 per share, how many shares must VV sell to net the $370 million after flotation costs? Show how much the issue will consist of flotation costs and how much VV will receive after the flotation costs are paid. So, so $370 million. Okay. You don't have any additional costs. The investment banker is going to charge 7.5%, so 0.075. Format as a percent. Okay, so issue size equals the funds needed divided by 1 minus the issuance cost. So 1 minus 7.5, 0.075 or 7.5%. So $400 million. So now they say they can net, or they can receive $80 per share. So how many shares? Take the issue size and divide it by the share price. So 5 million shares is how many shares they've got to sell, and then our issuance costs are 400 million issue size minus the funds needed of $30 million.